Hi, I'm Lynne-Marie from Lynne-Marie Designs. I thought I would just make this video to introduce myself and to tell you a little bit about my channel and why it exists. I'm actually on a journey of rediscovery after 50. So I turned 50 5 years ago. I'm 55 now, and it was a rough patch. It was a rough time of life, going, I'd say, from 45 to 55, where I had multiple burnouts through my job, and I was a teacher. I ended up quitting my job before retirement, so I'm not actually retired. I'm just not working and trying to figure out what I should do with my life, because life's not over. I'm not yet, I'm not done. And so I've always been designing the whole time that I was teaching. And so I thought, okay, I'm going to put more effort into my designs and try to promote them. And that's why I started the Lynne-Marie Designs YouTube channel. But at the same time, I feel like I can't just confine my efforts just to that, because there's so much more to what I want to do. And so I'm also on a health journey to restore my health after years of neglecting, and I'm becoming more active and trying to have more balance in my life. I also do music with my husband. He plays the piano and I sing, and so we have some recordings that we want to release. And what else? So there's basically there's my designing, there's the music, and then there's my health journey. There's also, like, we have some Airbnbs and we're kind of running those and trying to figure out what to do with the land that we own out in the country, homesteading, gardening. So all of these interests, and they always say that for a YouTube channel you should be niche. You should find your path and try to stick to that, but I'm finding that quite difficult. Hi. So
Hope you're praying for better weather.
oh yes, some warmer weather would be nice. Okay, so yeah, my niche, but I just find that Lynne-Marie Designs is a little bit too restrained, and I'm only at 180 subscribers right now, so I feel like if I'm going to make a change, now's the time to do it. And so I think I might evolve my channel into, I haven't quite figured it out yet, but something about life after 50 and kind of rediscovering yourself, and just reconnecting with who you were in the past. Because when I think of all the things I wanted to do when I was younger, hiking was one of them. Homesteading, gardening, all of these things that I'm doing now and that I couldn't do when I was a full-time teacher. And so life's not over. It's just starting for me, and I think I want to document that and make that part of what this channel is. So let me know in the comments if you think that's a good idea. So I have a map behind me right here, because a friend of mine who just turned 50, her name is Sarah Lord, she decided for her 50th birthday to have this challenge called the 50 Amazing Places, because that's what this map represents. It's the 50 amazing places that are part of the Fundy Biosphere, part of UNESCO, and there's just a lot of picturesque, beautiful locations here in southern New Brunswick that we can discover. And so I decided to join the challenge, and so I'm helping her co-lead this challenge, and we're going to be doing all 50 places over the course of the next year, and I want to document that right here. So we had our launch last night at Mill Creek Park, where we did like an amazing race type of thing. There were about 20 women and 1 man. and we just had a few little challenges throughout the park, and I filmed that, and I'm going to make a short video about that. And then next Saturday we're going to be going to Mary's Point, and that's going to be fun. I'm going to document that too. So that's a series that I want to start, 50 Amazing Places. And so Sarah decided that she wanted to raise funds for this organization called Haven Rise. And so there was a fee to join this challenge, $50 per person. We have 50 members, so that's $5,000 that was raised for Haven Rise. So it's completely going for them. And their purpose is to help homeless women or people with addictions, women with addictions, to get off the streets and get their lives back together. So it's a really good purpose, and I'm proud to be able to support that. And I'm going to see what I can do to help that as well. If there's any way that I could use my designs to help or whatever. So that's the challenge. I'm going to show you the map. Get a little closer. Okay, so here we are. Right now, I'm in the red dot. This is Dobson Trail. But you can see that there's all along the coast, there's a whole bunch of places to discover, and we're going to be hitting all of them this year. An exciting challenge. There's another challenge that I joined. I have no idea if I'm going to be able to do it, but I'm going to try. So it's the Dobson in a Day. So that's where I am right now. This trail goes all the way down to Fundy Park. So that's 58 kilometers, and we're gonna do it in one day. I think I'm crazy to try this, but we'll see. So we'll see how far I can make it. We're actually starting here, and we're gonna go up. So around here, there's some roads. It crosses a few roads. So if ever I can't make it all the way, I'll call my husband and say, come pick me up. But we're gonna try. So there we go. That's what I've got going on right now.